That's how we dry our hair. And learn to become an 80s hairband. I feel like I should play some music now. I don't know, Poison or something. Guns N' Roses. Nice.
That's the best one. See if we can get that on Olivia.